My name is Roger Hibbs. I've worked here at Expert Automotive about a year and 6 months now, and I've been a mechanic all my life. I've started out, just in a small shop, a little machine shop. I've had a passion for fixing cars all my life, and I went to two different trade schools when I was a teenager, did it in high school. I've done shipyard work, worked on tugboats, and I enjoy working for Expert Automotive. We've got a lot of good team here. We all work together at solving problems. We do a proper diagnostic, and we're gonna do our best as a team to fix your car right the first time. We also do a general inspection on all vehicles. After we've fixed your car, we'll go over the inspection with you and tell you what you might need in the future to address.